Okay, I'm going to quickly run through the kitchen this morning and throw us a meal in the crock pot. I will be out of the house until mid-afternoon, and I need a meal that'll be ready when I get in. I saw this one on TikTok the other day and thought it looked tasty, so I grabbed my slow cooker. Then I added 2 pounds of homestyle meatballs. Then I mixed 3 cups of beef broth, 1 teaspoon of minced garlic, 1 teaspoon of onion powder, a little Worcestershire sauce and a little ketchup, and 2 packets of brown gravy mix. I mixed this together and I poured it over the meatballs. Then I added salt and pepper to taste and set the slow cooker to 3 hours. While this was cooking at home, I attended the funeral of a sweet family member, Al Roberson. Al was 59, and for his family left this world way too young, way too early. He was the life of any room he entered, and if I could sum Al up in just a few words, it would be that he loved. So until we meet again on the other side, Al, farewell. When I returned home, I mixed together 2 tablespoons of cornstarch and 2 tablespoons of water and poured it over the meatballs. Stir this in so that it'll help the mixture thicken up. As it cooked a few more minutes, I quickly made a batch of biscuits because you know I'm going to slice some tomatoes and put on this plate. So if you are looking for an easy Salisbury meatball recipe, this is a good one. I'll talk to y'all later.